Another wanted man has been killed by the St. Catherine South Police. Zimroy Geddes, otherwise called Zim, was killed in an early morning police operation in Tryall Heights in the parish. 2 other males were also killed and 2 illegal guns recovered by the police.
One of the person has been identified as one of St. Catherine North most wanted. Is Zimroy Geddes, otherwise called Zim. And he has been on the St. Catherine North wanted list for some time. Even about 3 weeks ago, he was featured on the JCF Wanted Wednesday page, inviting him to make himself available to the police. The other 2 persons, they are still trying to confirm their identity.
Head of the police's corporate communications unit, SSP Stephanie Lindsay, says a police officer was also shot. His injuries, however, are not life-threatening. This is the second such operation in 2 weeks. Police killed Paul Devils Davis in West Prospects on July 22. Head of the Area 5, Assistant Commissioner of Police Christopher Phillips, says a task force has been established to apprehend those wanted.
As we intensify our operational activities, be watchful in your communities because, persons are moving in, under disguise because they're moving out of those areas that we continue to visit and to do operations. So communities now must be watchful because the security force is out. We are serious about taking back all our communities and we continue to appeal to our citizens. Just work with us. We're getting there little by little.
And it's time for a break. We have more local stories when we return.